Welcome to English Literature, UGC NET. Here we are going to discuss most important questions for UGC NET exam. I hope this session will be helpful for you. If you are new to our channel, please do subscribe and don't forget to like and share the video. Let's start. First question. In the Wasteland, who is the Hyacinth Girl? A. Mary. B. A Vision from the Past. C. Madame Sosostris. D. Philomela. Right answer is option B. A Vision from the Past. Next question. Who wrote The Madwoman in the Attic? A. Toril Mua and Julia Kristeva. B. Sandra Gilbert and Susan Gubar. C. Ellen Sixhouse and Lou Serigare. D. Elaine Showalter and Kate Millett. Right answer is option B. Sandra Gilbert and Susan Gubar. Next question. Who is the protagonist of The Pilgrim's Progress? A. Everyman. B. Christian. C. Faithful. D. Evangelist. Right answer is option B. Christian. Next question. The term hermeneutics primarily means A. Study of symbols. B. Study of history. C. Theory of interpretation. D. Study of narrative. Right answer is option C. Theory of interpretation. Next question. A Sentimental Journey Through France and Italy was written by A. Tobias Smollett. B. Laurence Sterne. C. Samuel Richardson. D. Henry Fielding. Right answer is option B. Laurence Sterne. Next question. Which novel introduced the character of Becky Sharp? A. The Woman in White. B. Vanity Fair. C. Bleak House. D. Mary Barton. Right answer is option B. Vanity Fair. Next question. The movement poets were active during which decade? A. 1920. B. 1940. C. 1950. D. 1970. Right answer is option C. 1950. Next question. Which of the following novels is a Romanesque clef? A. To the Lighthouse. B. The Bell Jar. C. Howard's End. D. White Sargasso Sea. Right answer is option B. The Bell Jar. Next question. The character Jude Foley appears in A. Far from the Madding Crowd. B. Jude the Obscure. C. The Return of the Native. D. The Mayor of Casterbridge. Right answer is option B. Jude the Obscure. Next question. Which modern critic wrote Metahistory? A. Michel Foucault. B. Hayden White. C. Stephen Greenblatt. D. Raymond Williams. Right answer is option B. Hayden White. Next question. A poem should not mean but be is from A. Archibald MacLeish. B. Wallace Stevens. C. Ezra Pound. D. T.S. Eliot. Right answer is option A. Archibald MacLeish. Next question. Who called the novel Middlemarch one of the few English novels written for grown-up people? A. Henry James. B. Matthew Arnold. C. Thomas Carlyle. D. Oscar Wilde. Right answer is option A. Henry James. Next question. The Hind and the Panther is an allegory about A. The Industrial Revolution. B. Catholic-Protestant conflict. C. The Glorious Revolution. D. English Civil War. Right answer is option B. Catholic-Protestant conflict. Next question. The poem The Negro Speaks of Rivers was written by A. Countee Cullen. B. Langston Hughes. C. Claude Mackay. D. James Weldon Johnson. Right answer is option B. Langston Hughes. Next question. The critic who proposed thick description in cultural criticism is A. Clifford Geertz. B. Terry Eagleton. C. Raymond Williams. D. Frederick Jameson. Right answer is option A. Clifford Geertz. Next question. Which poet wrote Muse and the Fashion? A. Derek Walcott. B. W. H. Auden. C. T.S. Eliot. D. Robert Graves. Right answer is option D. Robert Graves. Next question. In whose novel does the fictional town of Coketown appear? A. Charles Dickens. B. Elizabeth Gaskell. C. George Eliot. D. Thomas Hardy. Right answer is option A. Charles Dickens. Next question. The critical concept of strategic essentialism is associated with A. Gayatri Spivak. B. Homi Bhabha. C. Stuart Hall. D. Edward Said. Right answer is option A. Gayatri Spivak. Next question. In Memory of W. B. Yeats was written by A. Seamus Heaney. B. Ted Hughes. C. W. H. Auden. D. Philip Larkin. Right answer is option C. W. H. Auden. Next question. Which of these is a postmodern metafictional novel? A. Lord of the Flies. B. The French Lieutenant's Woman. C. Howard's End. D. A Passage to India. Right answer is option B, The French Lieutenant's Woman. Question for you. The term othering is used in A. New criticism. B. Postcolonial criticism. C. Russian formalism. D. Reader response criticism. Submit the right answer below in the comment box.